Hi everyone, I hope you can hear me clearly. So, before we start, let me introduce myself. My name is 𝐬𝐬𝐻. I am the founder of Learnomate Technologies. Learnomate Technologies provide a training on a different platform, like we do provide a training on Oracle DBA, RAG DBA, Golden Gate. Then we have a training on performance tuning. Then we have a training on how to Spark big data technology, which is a PySpark, and Power BI, AWS, and multiple trainings we do provide under the Learnomate Technologies brand. So today we have connected to understand about the roles and responsibility as a Oracle DBA. So what we do as a Oracle DBA, and there are many people, they might be already aware about this technology, which is really booming in the market. Another thing is there are multiple people. If you are coming from a non-technical background, let's say you are coming from BA, BCom, BSc, maybe you have completed your engineering from IT or computer science background, or maybe you have completed your background engineering from CSE electronics. So why, like, this is a golden opportunity for you to start your career as a Oracle DBA or start your career into the IT industry, because this Oracle DBA technology is completely a non-programming skill set. Non-programming skill set means anyone can understand it. Anyone, if you really put some efforts, easily you can start your career as a Oracle DBA, and for that we are going to help you out. So there are thousands of people who has been selected from the Learnomate Technologies after taking the trainings, and now these people are working with the companies like Cognizant, TCS, TechM, even Oracle, and there are multiple companies where our people are working right now. So to gain you more confident about us, I can show you guys, like, we have 15,000 plus Oracle DBA followers are there on our YouTube channel. You can search with the name Learnomate Technologies, and there you can see that there are 15,000 plus Oracle DBA followers are there, which are on our YouTube channel. And till now we have uploaded around 700 plus YouTube videos on our YouTube channel. So that's the reason, we have the base rating. We are doing good, very good actually, in terms of Oracle DBA technologies. And since I am a founder and I will be the trainer for this batch, which I'm going to start from this in next 2 days, we are going to continue this class itself. And if you are coming from Pune location, let's say you are coming from Pune location and you want to join the offline training, so we have offline training also available in the Pune location. Online you can join from any location. We have both the locations are available. So those people who are coming from Pune location, they can join us offline also. In Pune there is a location called Wakad. There we have our institute is available, so you can come offline, we can have a training. And those people who are joining from any other location except Pune, they can join our online class also. So we do have both the options available. Online is also available and offline is also available, so that's not a problem. Okay. And we have a training available in different time zone also. So we have given training to the people coming from Pune, Hyderabad, not only in India. We have given a training to the people out of India also. And right now in my current batch, we have a lot of people coming and joining from USA, then UK location also, Dubai, Singapore. These are the very hot locations where I can see that the people are joining. So yes, we are not new. Till now we have completed around 56 batches we have completed, and thousands of people we have trained in the Oracle DBA as well as in other technologies also. So basically, to take this session, like if you think that you want to start your career into IT industry, and if you are coming from non-technical background also, no problem, still you can kickstart your career with the IT industry by learning the technology like Oracle DBA. So let me share my screen so that I'll tell you what exactly it is, how exactly it is going on. So let me open the browser here. All right, so if you try to understand overall IT industry, this has been divided into the two part. Okay, so those people who are comfortable with programming kind of skill set, they can go to the programming kind of skill set. Like let's take an example, you can start your career as a Java developer, you can start your career as a .NET, maybe Angular. Okay, then we have multiple other technologies are there, or front-end developer. So this is something where you should have a knowledge about the programming. So you should be comfortable with the programming kind of skill set. Now programming means we called it as a coding also. So you need to write down the code maybe in Python, Java, C, C++, multiple languages are there. So if you think that your logic is very good and you can survive into the programming skill set, definitely you should try for this. So for that we have a technology called Hadoop big data, which is right now very booming in the market, or some people are calling it as a Spark developer or data engineer also. So this training also we do provide. I am personally giving the training on it. Another thing is, if you think that okay, no, the programming is not my cup of tea, just take an example, programming is not my cup of tea, then what you can do, you can start looking yourself for the Oracle DBA. Because in Oracle DBA, if you want to understand this technology, the only prerequisite that you need to understand is SQL and Linux, which is very basic skill set. So if you think that you have some knowledge about only basic knowledge, okay, if you think that you have some basic knowledge about SQL and Linux, then you can start your career as a Oracle DBA. And by any chance, if you think that you don't have expertise with SQL and Linux, or you don't know anything what is about SQL and Linux, we are providing you free of cost courses available on SQL Linux. That is a recording we are providing that. So that we will take care. And if you think that you want live classes of SQL and Linux, then we have a live classes also available for SQL and Linux. And if you think that you just need a recording, then we are giving recording free of cost also. That is with the along with the Oracle DBA. Now let's talk about the Oracle DBA. What we do as a Oracle DBA, like why people are why I'm saying that it is a kind of skill set who anyone can understand it. So just wanted to know, like I think there will be a people right now who has been joined here, and they might be working as a Oracle DBA, or there may be a people they want to start their career as a Oracle DBA. So in our today's webinar, I'll just give you some heads up, like why Oracle DBA, like what is the importance of Oracle DBA and what we do as a Oracle DBA. So when we say that DBA, that is called database administrator. Who is this people? That is called database administrator. In our IT industry, we have a concept called database. Now what is meant by database? Which will store your data, correct? Which will store your data. Now what type of data will be stored under your Oracle database? What type of data will be stored under your database first? That we will try to understand. Assume a situation. So we have this database is there. Okay, just take a situation that we have this database is there, And there is a person, he is going to the bank and he is saying that, boss, I want to open an account. So what he will do, he will enter his user ID, password, then first name, last name, salary. He will get one form. He will fill up all that information and finally he will click on the submit button. Nowadays everything is in internet only, correct? So whenever you are filling up the form, your information is getting stored into a database table. Your information like your first name, last name, your salary, your address, all that information getting stored in the form of table. In the form of table, all of your information is getting stored. So database is all about the collection of your tables, and that table is storing your data. Now if you take the example of SBI Bank, let's take an example of SBI Bank. There are thousands of people are there, thousands or millions of people are there, correct? And they are filling up their personal information and finally clicking on the submit button, and all that data is getting stored over here. So that data is getting stored in the form of database, that is called database. Now in our IT industry, there are multiple companies are there which are providing the database. Like we have Oracle companies there, we have Microsoft is there, okay? So those people who are using Oracle, that we called it as a Oracle database administrator, SQL server administrator, SQL server DBA. Then we have PostgreSQL DBA is there, then we have MySQL DBA is there. So basically there are multiple databases are there and their respective databases administrator are there. So administrator means the people like you and me who are going to do the administration of database. Now in this training you are going to become Oracle DBA. It means those clients which are using Oracle database, for that database you are going to administrator that, and that is the reason you are calling it as a Oracle database administrator. You are calling it as Oracle DBA, Oracle database administrator. As I said earlier, if you want to talk to this database, you should know SQL, and your database will be running from the Linux machine. So how's the architecture? The basic architecture of Oracle, you will have a server. This server will be provided by the company called, it can be provided by the Red Hat Linux, or it can be provided by the Oracle Linux, or it can be provided by AIX, HP or Solaris. It can be any company who are providing the server. Even you can have Windows server also. And on the top of that server you will have your database installed, which is your Oracle database. Now what's your responsibility? The responsibility as a Oracle DBA is to make sure that your database is up and running. What is your responsibility? To make sure that your database is up and running. Because if your database is not running by any chance, if your database is not running by any chance, you are not able to insert any data into the table. The table will be accessible only when your database is up and running. So you should be responsible to make sure that your database is running 24/7, means all the time. And you are using database in your daily life also. I'll tell you one example. Let's say this is Amazon database provided by the Amazon. Now they have this database will be connected to some application. So this application you can consider like your website only. Let's say it got connected to website. So on this website you are going to purchase some product. Let's say you are purchasing a camera or mobile phone. So when you do the transaction, let's say you are purchasing a camera with the cost 50,000. So that transaction will be recorded into the table. Now if your database or table, if your database is not running, do you think that you will be able to make these transactions? Do you think that you will be able to purchase this camera? No. And if you are not able to purchase the camera, since this database is down, it is a loss for the Amazon. So what Amazon will do? Amazon will ask their employee to work 24/7, and this database should be up and running without any problem, so that my clients, means Amazon users, can purchase a camera anytime. Amazon is not saying that boss, morning you cannot purchase, night you cannot purchase, or day you cannot purchase. If I want to purchase something from Amazon or Flipkart or from any application, I will purchase anytime. That is the reason your DBA, your Oracle Database Administrator, can work 24/7. Are you able to understand till now whatever we discussed? Like, what is the responsibility as a Oracle DBA? Can you please use the chat option and say yes? Alright, so I can see David. Oh, everyone is saying yes. Mahesh, Vaja, Sneha, yes, got it. Nice. Alright, so I can see everyone is able to understand the importance of Oracle DBA. So we got to know that, okay boss, this database should be up and running 24/7. Now another thing that you need to understand, that backup and recovery is also play a very important role, right? Backup and recovery is also playing an important role. Now what is meant by backup and what is meant by recovery? See, I have this database. Under that database I have my tables are there. These tables are very important, guys, right? Very important, because it has huge amount of data. It has huge amount of data which is available in my database. So you take an example, like in your internet banking, you can see that, okay, you have 1000 rupees is available in your bank. Just take an example that you can see that as soon as you enter your user ID and password, that user ID and password itself is available in your database itself, in database table. Now if your database is not running, okay, do you think that you will be able to log in? No. Another thing is, okay, now my database is up and running. Now the problem is, like, there is a chance that this database can be crashed. There is a chance that the database can be crashed. Now if this database, okay, if this database get crashed because of certain issue, if you take an example that if this database got crashed because of certain issue, what will happen? It's a big loss for you. So that is the reason why Oracle is providing some of the utilities through which you can take the backup of your database, and that backup you can place it to some safe location. It is possible. What you will do? You will take the backup of database. You will take the backup of database by using Oracle utilities. Like there is a utility called RMAN or EXPDP. All these utilities are provided by the Oracle. We will take the backup and we place that backup into some safe location. So if this database also got crashed by any chance, by using this backup, you can recover your backup again and again. Every time we take the backup of our important files, photos, videos, correct? Why? Because I don't want to lose my data. I don't want to lose my data. Usually I have seen that people are using the external hard disk to store their photos and videos, or some people are using Google Drive also to store the backup of your personal things, because there is a chances that this C drive can be corrupted. There is a chances that this my file system can be corrupted or my hard drive can be corrupted. So in that time we cannot take the risk, so we take the backup. And what is meant by recovery? Recovery means is a restoration process. From the backup, you are going to restore your database. You are going to restore your database. Understood? the backup and recovery concept. We have a dedicated lectures are there. We are going to see one by one. Okay, how to do that and everything. We'll see that. But till now, whatever we have discussed, are you able to understand, everyone? Can you please use the chat option? Okay, Shubham is saying yes, Vaja yes, Rishikesh yes, Neha yes. All right. Okay. Yes. Okay, nice. Okay, everyone is able to understand. Nice. So another thing is, okay, so okay, we got to know about the backup and recovery. Okay, that is fine, looks very good, no problem in that. Now another responsibility as a Oracle DBA is database installation and configuration. Database installation and configuration. Now what is this? So you assume a situation, okay, database installation and configuration. What is this? So you assume a situation that I have a database 19C, okay, I have a database 19C is there, and my client is saying that, boss, I want to install one more database. My client is saying that I want to install one more database. So you should know how to install a database, correct? If your client is saying that you want to install one more database, so you should know how to install a Oracle database. So that time we cannot say that, boss, I don't know how to install Oracle database. But I'll tell you one thing, that whatever activities which I told you till now, you don't need to write down a single line of code itself. You don't need to write down. Only the thing is, you should have some knowledge about SQL and Linux. That is very important. Basic knowledge. If you don't have, that is fine. We will take care of that. So if I want to do the database installation, it's a GUI mode. GUI is there. You can directly use GUI mode and you can install your Oracle database. Very simple. I'll show you how to install a Oracle database also. Another responsibility as a Oracle DBA is called upgradation. Upgradation. Now what is upgradation? Everyone is upgrading ourselves, right? So even database needs to be upgraded. So we have a database version is there. We have 9.9, 10G, 11G, 12C, 18C, 19C, 21C. 21C is the latest version of your Oracle database. 21C. Even if you remember that the operating system what we were using, initially I started my Windows XP 7, 8, 10. Nowadays people are using Windows 11, if you remember, if you know that. The currently operating system which I'm using, that is Windows 11. So Windows 11 means this is my latest operating system. And if you remember that the Windows XP was very slow, very slow, and Windows 11 is very fast. Same way, if you are using the older version of your Oracle database by any chance, you should know that how to upgrade your database. You should know that how to upgrade your database from lower version to higher version. Because if you use the higher version of your Oracle database, it will be fast, secure, correct? And you will get the support from your Oracle also, if you use the latest version. So that is the requirement, that we should know how to upgrade your database from 12C to 19C or 19C to 21C, whatever you require. You should know that. So we are going to upgrade our database. Again, this upgradation, you don't need to write down any code. I'll tell you one more thing. Very simple. I'll show you how to upgrade your database from one version to another version. What are the steps are there? No need to write down any code also. Completely anyone, if you see it 2-3 times, if you try to understand it, you will easily do that. So upgradation play an important role. Another responsibility as a Oracle DBA is, there are multiple responsibilities out there, but today I am going to talk about the most important responsibility. Among that, one more responsibility is there. We called it as a patching activity. Now what is meant by patching? So patching is basically, see, we have a database which is my 19C database. You assume that this is my Oracle database. This database has been written into the Java language. So there is a programmer, they have written this Java language programming. Now this software can have some sort of security issue, right? Everything is getting tracked under the database. So let's say whatever amount of money which I'm having in my account right now, that data is coming from database only. Even your internet banking, whatever banking you are using, SBI, ICICI, HDFC, whatever banking you are using, all that data is available under database only, correct? So there is a chances that someone can hack the system and they can transfer the amount from here to there. There can be some security kind of issues. So to resolve that security kind of issue, your Oracle team is there, right? They will send you a patch and you should know how to apply that patch. Patch is basically a small software which you are going to run on Oracle database software, and it will remove all the bugs or security kind of issues. Whatever bugs or security kind of issues are there in your Oracle database, it will remove after doing the patching activity. And does it require a coding to apply your patch? No. The coder has already written the code, you just need to use that, and that is called patching activity. What it will do, it will remove all the bugs from your Oracle database or security kind of issues from your Oracle database. That is called patching activity. Then you should know how to monitor your database also. So there is a tool called OEM, Oracle Enterprise Manager. I have 1000 databases are there. How will I come to know that which database is down? How will I come to know that? I have 1000 databases. Am I going to check each and every database manually? Am I going to check that? No. So what a system should be, if any one of the database goes down, let's say this database goes down, it will send an email message to my email ID saying that there is this database, in this database is down. So what I will do, I will directly look into that. I will see why it is down. That is my first responsibility, right? The database should be up and running 24/7. So as soon as I get an email saying that okay, my database is down, who will send me an email message? There is a monitoring tool is there called OEM. So you should know how to monitor your database also. I will tell you how to do that by using OEM. Again, no required of any coding. Very simple. Till now able to understand whatever we discuss? Can you please use the chat option? So Sneha is saying yes, Mahesh yes, Dubai is saying yes, Savitri is saying yes, Wajgat. Okay, everyone is saying yes. Nice. So now coming to the next database activity, what we are going to understand is, we called it as a user management. So we have a database, and under that database you are going to create some users, user 1, user 2, user 3. When you join any company, you will get the user ID, correct? So these are the users. Inside your Oracle database, you are going to create a user. That user, we need to provide some of the privileges. Let's say to the user 1, I have given a privileges like he can create a table. So he can create a table. I have given him privileges insert, update, delete. These are the SQL queries are there. So first of all, my responsibility as a Oracle DBA is, I will allow him to create a user. So we are going to create a user, and to this user we are going to provide him a privileges. What we are going to do? To this user we are going to provide a privileges, insert, update, delete, all that things we are going to do. What we will do? We will provide him insert, update and delete everything. So my client will say me that boss, create a user and provide him these privileges. So it is my responsibility as a Oracle DBA to provide him these privileges. That is my responsibility. We will take care of that. Again, when you are talking about the user management, in which we are going to create a user under Oracle database, under Oracle database, and we will provide him a required privileges. Doesn't require any kind of coding, no coding. Simply a SQL statement will be there. By using that, you can provide him a privileges. And another responsibility is sometimes client connectivity is also very important. Client connectivity. What is this? So we have a database which is up and running. Okay. Now user 1, user 2, user 3, these people are not able to connect to the Oracle database. None of the users are not able to make a connection to the database. My users is not able to make a connection to the Oracle database. So that's a client connectivity issue, right? Why? What is the problem? Is there any user ID and password is wrong? No. Password and user ID is correct, but still they are not able to log in. So that's a big problem, right? So as my responsibility, we should know there is a concept called listener who will take the connectivity, user connectivity. So listener should be up and running. Who will do that? Listener. So listener should be up and running. So I will take care of that. Listener should be up and running. So I will take care of that. So that's the reason, client connectivity also play an important role. I'll tell you one example. If I'm trying to log into the Amazon application, my user ID and password is correct, but still I'm not able to log in. So there is some problem, right? There is some problem. So we should know how to do the client connectivity. And what is the problem behind that? So DBA team will take care of that. Another responsibility as a Oracle DBA is a performance tuning. Very difficult, but very important. Performance tuning. What is performance? Performance means it's a performance, right? If you open my website and my website is not opening very fastly, let's say you are going to our website, okay? You are searching with the learnomate.org. This is our official website. If you are going here and this website is not able to open very quickly, what you will do? You will directly close this website or you will go to the another website. That is what we are going to do, right? If you are trying to purchase something from your Amazon or Flipkart, and if that Amazon or Flipkart is taking too much time to search the product, what you will do? You will see some other alternatives. You will say that, oh boss, your website is very slow. We will not purchase anything from you. We will go to the another website. Correct? So performance also play a very, very important role. Very, very important role. So these are some of the basic responsibilities which I have discussed with you all. Apart from this, there are many other responsibilities are there which we are going to learn throughout our training. And this is the first class of our training. Tomorrow is the second class. Those people who are interested to join this completely real-time database training, even though if you are coming from any background, as I said, you are coming from any non-technical background also, still you can start your career as a Oracle DBA. I have seen multiple people, though you are coming from non-technical background, still they are able to start their career as a Oracle DBA. So if you think that you are interested to join this completely real-time database training, you can reach out to us on this mobile number, or I'll just directly mention it here only. So you can reach out to us on contact us on. So you can WhatsApp us on the mobile number +91 77570 62955, or we have a second number also +91. You can directly WhatsApp us 78229 17585. Or if you think that you don't have WhatsApp, or you want to reach out to us on mail, you can mail us on this email ID also. So these are our contact details, 782291585. Okay. So these are our contact details to reach out to us for the training. Now SQL DBA and Oracle DBA are not same. As I said, like in the market there are multiple databases are there. So we have Oracle DBA, which is a product of Oracle. You consider that whenever you are purchasing any product, the same product will be given by multiple companies, right? Let's say you are purchasing a mobile phone, so you are getting it from OnePlus also, iPhone also, Redmi also. Same way, database is provided by the multiple company, Oracle also, and SQL DBA means that is a Microsoft, provided by the Microsoft. So SQL DBA is a different database, Oracle DBA is a different database, but both are database only. Both are same example, both are camera only, but one camera is provided by Canon, one other camera is provided by Nikon, but both are doing the same thing. So that's how it works. To understand about the Oracle DBA, you should have some basic knowledge about the SQL and Linux. That is important. If you are enrolling to our Oracle DBA class, and if you are okay with the SQL and Linux recording, we will give you free SQL and Linux course, free SQL and Linux. If you are enrolling to the Oracle DBA, and SQL and Linux recording you will get free of cost if you are enrolling to Oracle DBA. The Oracle DBA fees is 199. That is the fees of Oracle DBA, which is 20,000 around, or it is $299. Those people who are joining from US location. Oracle DBA is a kind of job. It can be rotational also, and in some projects it may not be rotational also. Depend. Sometimes some people are working from USA, some people are working from India, so that time it will not be rotational job. But if all the support is coming from India, then yes, it can be, but depend upon project to project. The duration of the course will be 2 months. Okay, the duration of the course will be 2 months. The timing will be 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. IST. This is the Indian time. Okay, Indian time. This is the time. The batch will be running from Monday to Thursday. This is the. So we have this timing is also available, and we have one more other timing is also available. Another timing is 9 a.m. IST. That is a different batch. Okay, so we have a batch available on different time. So time is not a problem. We have a morning batch, we have a evening batch. Both the batches are there. After we are providing installment also. So if you want installment, there are 2 installments you can take. You can pay 50% now, and 50% you can pay in the next month you can pay 50%. After the training you will get the certificate of the Learnomate technologies, and to help you with the jobs and all, what we have done is the training that we are going to give, that is completely real-time database training. We are going to cover your interview question and answer that you will get in the form of PDF also you will get, and you will get video also free of cost. We will help you with the resume preparation. We will help you with the projects also that needs to be explained in the interview. We will help you with the job vacancies also. Whenever we have a type with some of the companies, so whenever these people are coming to us, so we will send you a job vacancies. Okay, and rest of the things we will take care. Okay, so whatever it is required to make it, you will get the recording also as a part of study material. The recording will be available for 3 months of access. Okay, so even what we discussed today now, it is getting recorded, so you will get the recording also. Another thing is you will get the notes also. Whatever queries which we are going to run, any command whatever we are going to learn, you will get all that notes also. Okay, so recording will be available every day after the class itself. Okay, after the class, the certificate, the training certificate of Learnomate technologies is coming with the fees only. No need to pay any extra for that. It is coming with that. Okay, so night shift and all depend on project to project. If project is not asking for night shifts, in my last project they were not asking any night shift, so I have not done much night shift actually, because especially I like to work in the afternoon shift, so I don't join the company who are asking for night shift. So it's up to us. So after this, after completing this training, you can look for yourself for Oracle DBA position, Oracle Database Administrator, and you can get a job. If you want to know about that, you can just search here like Oracle DBA Jobs, and you can see the plenty of jobs are available in the market. Like you can see here, there is a Oracle Database Administrator job is available in Persistent. Then we have Jolson Wad. Then we have in Citibank. Okay. Thousands of jobs you will find it on the Naukri. Not only on Naukri, you can find it on Indeed also, Glassdoor also. Many companies are there which are providing the jobs here in TCS, Mindtree, Tech Mahindra, all big companies, Oracle, TCS again. We have all big companies are providing and they are hiring for Oracle DBA. So you can see everything. Okay, if you want to know about in Pune location or whatever location, that's not a problem. You can just go here and you can look for the job. See, all big MNCs companies are looking for job. Okay, so don't worry about that. Yes, we are going to discuss about the project also, that you need to explain when you are giving the training. Okay, so projects and all we will take care of that. So those people who are having a career gap, they can reach out to us. We will tell you the way how you can fix these issues. Okay. All right. So what I am trying to say is, like, if you are coming from any background, no problem, you can still start your career as a Oracle DBA. You can work as a Oracle DBA and you can kickstart your career into the IT industry. So don't worry about the things like, okay, I'm coming from BA, BCom and all those things. Okay, so we'll take care of that. Okay. One more important thing is that when I'm doing some practicals and by any chance if you stuck somewhere, okay, we have a dedicated support team is also available, guys. So my people will take your control and they will fix your issues. No one will give such type of support, but we are providing that. So we have a dedicated separate team is there only for support. Okay, so they will take your control, they will guide you like what is the problem, how they have fixed, everything will be there. Again, recordings will be there. Okay, so whatever things which are required to start your career as a Oracle DBA, and since it is not a first batch for us, it is like multiple batches we have taken, so we know that what you want and we have already worked on it. So we have completed jobs, so no worries about that. Okay. Server access, there is a question like, do we provide the server access? Yes, we do provide the server access also, but for that you need to pay additional charges. But for practice purpose, if you have a laptop, you can use your personal laptop and you can do the practice also. But still, if you don't have a laptop, or maybe you have a laptop which is having low configurations, so we will take care of that. Alright, so that's how the things. Okay. I hope you have enjoyed the session that we have discussed today, and I hope so you understood something. Still, if you want to know about us, you can go to youtube.com or you can directly search here with the Learnomate technologies. Okay, you can search with the Learnomate technologies, and if you go here, you can see here that we have 15,000 plus Oracle DBA followers are there. So when we have a 15,000 Oracle DBA followers are there, so you can assume that, like, these are the genuine things. If you want to know more about the interview questions, see here the many videos which we have already created. The number which I have explained, it is available here. If you don't want to join this paid training, that's okay guys, still you can go to our YouTube channel, just subscribe here. You will see a lot of meaningful information which will be easy for you to start your career. Okay. So this is very important. Just go here and try to see the videos which we created previously. That way you will get the confidence that what is Learnomate technology, how they are providing a training, what are their reviews and all. Okay, so don't worry, we are not in hurry. We are actually in hurry because this is our first class of evening batch, the one which we have started. Tomorrow we have a second batch. So those people who are interested to join this training immediately, they can reach out to us on our this WhatsApp number. What I am thinking right now, it was not a plan, but I'll tell you one thing. The first 5 people, we will give 1000 rupees off. So those people, so actual my fees is 20,000. Okay, first 5 people will get 1000 discount and the cost will be 19,000. Don't assume that our cost is 20,000, our cost might be 19,000 only. No, if you really want to know, you can go to our website, search it with the Oracle DBA syllabus. If you go here, this is the syllabus of Oracle DBA. If you scroll it down, here you can see it is 20,000, right? So there are people who are joining from US, or they are directly clicking on enroll now and they are doing the payment. So if you think that you want to join as early as possible and you want to get this offer, the fees will be 19,000, not 20,000. But this is only for first 5 people. So if you want to make the payment, I'll send you the account details. Please WhatsApp us on this number which is available on website also. Please note down if you have not note down it, or I will show you here itself. Take a screenshot as of now itself. Here, please WhatsApp us on this number. Okay, this offer is for installment also, but only the thing is you need to make the payment right away. Okay, only for first, I got the first payment also. Okay, so this is the way, only 4 people now. Okay, so you can pay 10,000 now. Okay, and 9,000 you can pay in next month, but it is only for first 5 people. Okay, so don't worry, we are the very even you can check our YouTube channel also. We are very genuine in terms of fees and all. Okay, and compared to the market, our fees is already less, but still if you want to take this advantage, pay as soon as possible. We have 4 vacancies as of now, 5th one already paid. So if you want to gain this opportunity. Apart from this, if you have any questions, queries, anything, let me know. We will take care. This is the final fees guys. Okay, no negotiation in that. I'll tell you honestly in front of everyone, even it is getting recorded also, but that's the final fees. Okay, the support for the global certification we will do. Okay, I'll tell you the honest answer. One more thing, like, see, the focus should not be a certification. The focus should be the real-time activities what we do as a Oracle DBA. Nowadays, getting a certification is not a big task, and no one is looking for the certification also. Even though you have a 10 certification in your pocket, but still you are not able to give the answer, you are not my cup of tea. Okay, so we do take a lot of interviews, but basically we see the knowledge. We don't see how many papers you have. That's not important. Okay. So do real-time trainings. Okay, and enroll to this Oracle DBA things. We'll make sure that you will get the best knowledge from our side. And you ask anyone about this Learnomate technologies, or maybe you can talk about my name, Ankush Chowdhury. with anyone, you'll always get the good review itself. Okay, so we don't do any bad marketing or something like that. All are genuine, and we'll make sure that you will get the best training. So join us if you really want to get a good training. Okay. That's a very important. Thank you so much for giving your very important time to us. We will keep on sending, we will keep on sharing the knowledge, and that's the reason we have a huge subscriber on our YouTube channel. We are not a entertainment channel. We are basically focusing on the knowledge part. So 15,000 plus, it's a very huge count, guys, I'll tell you. And there is only one person who is creating the videos. We don't have a team while creating the videos. So we'll take care of everything. Quality will be there. Okay, don't think, and we'll make sure that you'll get placed and everything. Okay, thanks. Bye bye for joining. Okay, what I will do, I will just before I leave, what I will do, I'll unmute. If you have any questions related to the training, only related to the training, please ask me. I will make you unmute. Okay, you can unmute yourself now, and you can ask the questions if you have anything regarding to the training. So I'll take care of that.
Sir, after this course, जो हमें ना as a consultant as a job मिलेगा या और कुछ? Can you explain about this?
So after this training, you can start your the profile name will be Oracle DBA. Okay. Now that a role will be Oracle DBA, what will be the designation? Every company will have their different designation. Every company. Like I work, see, I'll tell you my profile. I work with the Cognizant, Infosys, L&T, then Wipro. I work all these companies, even small companies also, but the big giants I'm not talking about. Every company have their own designations. But at the end, what is important, that what you are doing in your company. So you will become a Oracle DBA. Okay. Then consultant and all these things, that is like every company have their different designations. Okay. Any question regarding the training? Next question.
Sir, this is Tirupati. Sir, Oracle DBA, that minimum confidence, how much we need, sir? So
the minimum configuration is 8 GB.
8 GB with the 5th gen processor, it will be possible, sir, to work on.
What you said?
That 5th gen processor, speed processor is enough.
Processor is not a problem. Main problem is memory.
Memory only, yes, sir. Okay, sir. Okay. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Can you hear my voice?
Two people are talking. Can you speak one by one?
Yeah, this is Jay.
Yes.
I just want to know, after completion of this course, we will join as a fresher or as an experience?
That all depend on you only. How you want to show. Okay.
Okay. Like we can show, like I'm working in XYZ company, so I can show that company as a Oracle. Right? Okay. Thank you, sir. And one more thing, sir. I just want to know.
Yes.
If I don't want to join the evening classes, so I can.
We have morning batches available.
Yeah, you can add in the morning classes like that.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. Sir, one more question, Nilesh here. What is the database testing? Is this database testing and Oracle DBA?
No. These are the two different profiles are there. Okay. These are the two different profiles. In database also we have multiple profiles are there. One is a database developer. So developer means these people will write down the SQL queries. I'm sorry. So database developer means these people will write down the SQL queries. Tester will do some testing kind of things. And
okay, sir.
Administrator means they will install a database, take a backup, which does not require any kind of coding.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Sir, I don't know Linux, so can you teach me Linux in this class? Sir, I don't know Linux, so can you teach me Linux in this class?
So those people who are enrolling to our Oracle DBA training, for them we are giving free SQL and Linux course. That is a recording we are giving that. Okay.
Recording your
free of cost. Okay.
Yeah.
But
sir,
if
this
you
is
want to know SQL and Linux live classes, the way we are taking out this Oracle DBA, for that we have different batches there. The fees is 10,000.
10,000. 10,000.
Next question, guys.
Sir, sir, can I say something, sir?
Yes, can you come again?
Sir, I have a laptop, but it's very low configuration, like 4 GB. But I have to buy a laptop. So
Till that time,
if
what
I-
we can give you the access to our lab. Okay.
Okay, sir.
We will give you lab. You can use your personal laptop itself, and you can connect to the database.
Okay.
Same
So
laptop. You don't need to purchase a new laptop. Same laptop.
हेलो सर, आई एम आले। सर ये जानना चाहता हूँ कि सर लिनक्स पढ़ाएंगे तो कौन सा लिनक्स, काली लिनक्स या
Ubuntu,
रेड हैट
Ubuntu.
लिनक्स?
Ubuntu. See, we are focusing on command. Whether you take Red Hat, Kali or anything, command will be always same.
सर एनी डिफरेंस इन दोस?
Reference means
सर काली लिनक्स और उबंटू या रेड हैट लिनक्स है, इसमें कोई डिफरेंस है सर?
these are the two, like same way. Like we have, when you get a product, na product is coming from different companies, right? So when you get a Linux is also provided by different companies. Linux by Red Hat, Linux by Kali, Linux by Ubuntu, Linux by AIX, anything. At the end all are same. It's just a different company.
Sir, one more question.
Okay, another question, guys.
Sir, in real-time project, we do it in Ubuntu or
We use Oracle Linux. Oracle Linux or Red Hat Linux is widely used. So for our training purpose, we are going to use Oracle Linux only. Okay, next question regarding the training, guys. Regarding the training.
सर जैसे किसी ने लाइव क्लास मिस कर दी 8 से 9, जैसे
We will
आपने
get the
time बताया।
recording also na immediately on the same day. So recording से कर सकते हो.
Ankush sir, this is Sunil.
Yes.
ASM is involved in this training.
ASM, data guard, patching, upgradation, shell scripting, automation, OEM, user management, table spaces, Oracle database installation, architecture, everything is included. Except rack. Rack is a separate course. Okay, rack is a separate course.
Reg is different, right?
Yeah, rack is a separate course. So we have one more combo is there for the people who want to enroll for Oracle DBA and rack. For separate rack fees is 20,000 actually. Separate rack fees is 20,000. So Oracle DBA plus rack DBA it is 40,000 basically. But if you want to enroll for both the training, the fees will be 35,000. 5,000 discount we are giving. But it's a one-time payment. One-time payment. Okay.
Okay.
5,000
One
discount
more
for
question.
Oracle DBA and rack DBA. Okay, that's my point. Yes.
Okay.
How
And,
much package do we expect if I put more than 5 years experience?
That I cannot say. Next question. Okay, no more question regarding training.
sir, when you started in sir, from the next month, right?
Now we are starting continue only. We already got all the admission, so I just thought to discuss few points. I got some. Just now I got some 2 admissions, so we have only 2 people left now for that 1,000.
Wednesday, right?
We are going to continue that. Okay. We will not. Alright guys, yeah, thank you so much for joining. I think we spent a lot of time. Okay, so I hope most of you people already joined our group, or maybe if you have not joined, just WhatsApp us on our WhatsApp number which we shared with you. If you still have not seen that WhatsApp number, I'll just paste here. or you can just email us. So I have just WhatsApp number or email us, and if you still got confused by any chance, go to our website and get the number from there. Okay, and there is a WhatsApp symbol is also then on right hand side. You can directly WhatsApp from there. Okay, so let's connect in the class. Okay, thank you, bye bye.